In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take your wired CarPlay and Android Auto to the next level. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm currently sitting in my 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Now my truck didn't come with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto straight from the factory. Toyota didn't add it until 2020, but I did a factory upgrade to the new head unit so that I could get Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So if you're interested in doing something like that, check out my other video on that to show you how to upgrade to the new head unit. Now, how do we take it to the next level? How do we go wireless? This is the Binize multimedia video box that transforms your infotainment system to have full Android control. Before I show you some of the functionality, let me show you what's in the box and some of the specs on the device. This Binize wireless multimedia video box has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM. I found that the processor is responsive and I had plenty of storage for additional apps. This particular box is running the Android 9.0 system. It has built-in navigation, supports Bluetooth calling and music, among a wide variety of other features. Here you have slots for 4G cellular service and a micro SD slot for additional storage. Another cool feature is you can do split screen operations that give you the ability to browse dual pages at the same time. Now let's move on to the setup process. So setup is super easy. All you got to do is plug your USB-C into the box here and then plug the USB portion into your vehicle's USB slot here and then turn on the vehicle. Okay, it automatically started up for me. Now this is the Android system here. So what's great about this device, first and foremost, is that it makes it wireless. If you want to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto wireless, all you need to do is do AutoKit. And this is going to connect with your phone and it's going to bring up Android Auto or Apple CarPlay like it would from the factory. So now it becomes wireless, and this is probably what you're familiar with if you have Apple CarPlay. Here you have all your apps as you normally would, and the interface is exactly the same. So that makes it really nice. Every time you get in the vehicle, you don't have to plug in your phone. Now you can just hop in, start it up, and it will automatically connect. So now what's really cool is if you want to go to the Android system, all you need to do is press this button here, and there's a little home button here, and this is going to take you to the Android interface, and you can run a lot of really cool apps like YouTube and Netflix. And to be able to do that, all you have to do is either hotspot off your phone or use the SIM card slot in the Binize box. So to set up your personal hotspot, all you got to do is go into hotspot, make sure it's on, and then come over here to settings. Gonna go to Wi-Fi, make sure that's on, connecting to my phone, connected, and now we can come over to, let's say we want to watch Netflix. Okay, and now it's going to bring up Netflix here, and for example, if we wanted to watch Better Call Saul, play. Very cool, very responsive. I mean, it feels like a tablet, which is awesome. And then to navigate back, all you gotta do is just once again tap that white button there. You can either go home or you can go back. and you have a lot of cool apps. So if we want to bring up YouTube, okay, here's YouTube. We can navigate to the Muscle American page. There it is. You could play a video, watch those. So it's really cool, very responsive. So let's just say you're here and you actually just want to go back to just the stock setting. All you got to do is hit this home button right here, and it's going to take you back to the factory settings, which is really cool that you can switch between them fairly quickly. So if I want to go back, all I'd have to do is go back to Apple CarPlay, and boom, there it is, I'm back, which is really cool. So another really cool feature is that if you want to navigate somewhere, you can use Google Maps, and then let's just say you have Netflix open, you can actually do picture-in-picture. So if you play Better Call Saul here, you still have your maps. So another really cool feature is that you can actually screen mirror from your phone. So whatever your phone is displaying, you can display it on the screen there. So for example, if there was just something you could only get on your phone and you couldn't get it on the Binize box, you could actually just screen mirror it onto your phone. So I'm going to show you how to do that. There's this app called AirScreen. So you go into the Google Play Store and download this AirScreen app. Okay, and once you've pulled that up, it says, please share your content with this number here. So what you would do is you would pull up your phone and you would hit screen mirroring, and you'd select it there. Okay, so now you can see that it's mirroring my phone, and if I turn this horizontally, you can see that it will turn horizontally there on the screen as well. This app is really cool. This is an OBD Link 2, and this will actually give you live data into your truck. So for example, if we go into dashboards here, this is going to give you live data from your truck. And all you need to do this is to have an OBD Link 2 Bluetooth reader. So for example, we have RPMs here, you have mass airflow sensor here, engine temperature, miles per hour, you got your battery voltage, fuel rate, and there's different types of gauges that you can do in here, different styles. You can customize these, so you have boost and accelerometers. So this is really cool. So if I rev up the truck, you'll watch the RPMs right here go up. See, that's pretty cool. So some other really cool features with this app is that you can do, for example, 0 to 60 times. Over here it'll show you your miles per hour. It'll also show you your RPMs. But this would be really cool if you wanted to see your 0 to 60 times. You can display it here and it'll track it for you. So there you have it, guys. As you can see, this is a pretty powerful tool. So be safe, be responsible. Hopefully this shows you some of the features of it and you can make an informed decision on if it's something you're interested in. So if you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments below. I do read them and I do answer them as best that I can. I'll also include a link down in the description if you want to purchase one of these. Thanks for watching, guys. Please consider subscribing and liking, and we'll catch you next time.